I can tell you where I think things are going to go, which is that we're not going to have a phone, or in the traditional sense, what we call a phone will really be an edge node for AI inference, for AI video inference, with some radios to obviously connect to. But essentially you'll have AI on the server side communicating to an AI on your device, formerly known as a phone, and generating real-time video of anything that you could possibly want. And I think that there won't be operating systems, there won't be apps in the future. There won't be operating systems or apps. It'll just be, you've got a device that is there for the screen and audio and for and to put as much AI on the device as possible, so as to minimize the amount of bandwidth that's needed between your edge node device, formerly known as a phone, and the servers.
So if there's no apps, what will people use? Like, will X still exist? Will there be email platforms, or will you get everything through AI?
You'll get everything through AI.
Everything through AI. What will be the benefit of that, as opposed to having individual apps?
Whatever you can think of, or really whatever the AI can anticipate you might want, it'll show you. That's my prediction for where things end up.
What kind of time frame are we talking about here?
I don't know. It's probably 5 or 6 years, something like that.
So 5 or 6 years, apps are like Blockbuster Video.
Pretty much.
And everything's run through AI.
Yeah, and there'll be most of what people consume in 5 or 6 years, maybe sooner than that, will be just AI generated content. So music, videos. There's already there's people have made AI videos using Grok Imagine and using other apps as well, that are several minutes long, or like 10, 15 minutes, and it's pretty coherent.
Yeah.
It looks good.
No, it looks amazing.
Yeah.
The music's disturbing because it's my favorite music now. Like
AI music is your favorite?
Oh, there's AI covers. Have you ever heard any of the AI covers of 50 Cent songs in soul?
No.
I'm going to blow your mind.
Okay.
This is my favorite thing to do to people. Play What Up Gangsta. Now, this guy, if this was a real person, would be the #1 music artist in the world.
Okay.
Everybody would be like, holy shit, have you heard of this guy?
Yeah.
He's It's like they took all of the sounds that all of the artists have generated and created the most soulful, potent voice. And it's sung in a way that I don't even know if you could do, because you would have to breathe in and out of reps. Here, put the headphones on. Put the headphones on real quick.
Okay.
You got to listen to this. It's going to blow you away.
Just for listeners, we got to cut it out.
Yeah, we'll cut it out for the listeners. But amazing, right? Amazing. Yeah. And they do like every one of his hits all through this AI-generated soulful artist. It's fucking incredible. I played in the green room. So people that are like, I don't want to hear AI music. I'm like, just listen to this. And they're like, God damn it. It's fucking incredible. I mean,
it's only going to get better from here.
Yeah, only going to get better. And Ron White was telling me about this joke that he was working on that he couldn't get to work. He's like, I got this joke I've been working on. He goes, I just threw it in ChatGPT. I said, tell me what would be funny about this. And then he goes, it listed like 5 different examples of different ways he can go. He's like, hold on a second, tighten it up. Make it funnier, make it more like this, make it more like that. And it did that like instantaneously.
Yep.
And then he was in the green room. He was like, holy shit, we're fucked. He's like,
yeah.
He goes, it wrote a better joke than me in 20 minutes. I've been working on that joke for a month.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to have a good time or like make people really laugh at a party, you can use Grok and you can say, do a vulgar roast of someone, and Grok is gonna be an epic vulgar roast. You can even say like take a picture of like. Make a vulgar roast of this person based on their appearance of people at the party.
So take a photo of them.
Yeah, just literally point the camera at them and now do a vulgar roast of this person, and then keep saying no, make it even more vulgar. Use forbidden words. even more, and just keep repeating even more vulgar. Eventually, it's like, holy fuck, it's like, I mean, it's trying to jam a rocket up your ass, like, and have it explode, and it's like it's like it's next level.
And it's gonna get
beyond
better.
fucking belief.
That's what's crazy is that it keeps getting better. Like, one of the things, remember when we ran into each other? They just keep getting better.
Yeah, I mean, have you? Yeah, I mean, have you tried Grok unhinged mode?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty unhinged.
No, it's nuts.
Yeah, it's nuts.
Well, you showed it to me the first time. And then I fucked around with it. It's just, and the thing about it that's nuts is that it keeps getting stronger. It keeps getting better.
Yeah.
Like constantly. It's like this never-ending exponential improvement.
Yes. No, it's yeah. It's gonna be.